the home screen of the drama application, where you can pretty much watch a lot of drama series. So you have a lot of them. You can pretty much scroll there, just a bunch. So you have the trending section here, you have the classic section here, and you pretty much have the new release section. So a lot of them which you can watch. You have the For You option which you can scroll, and you see a bunch of different drama series which you can watch as well. And let's say, for example, you want to watch one of these, all you have to do is just stop on whichever one you want to watch. Say, for example, this one here, and it will pretty much as it relates to this here. You may see the episode section over here. I'm not sure if you guys seen this, but sometimes this application doesn't show the For You page, so do keep that in mind due to your privacy policies. But anyways, you'll be able to see the episode section here as well. They will give you a few episodes for free, and the rest you pretty much will need to unlock these. Either you get a subscription. So let's just select one of these episodes here. As you can see, will tell you how much credits or points you need to pretty much unlock these episodes, and it will pretty much offer you to get a subscription as it relates to unlocking these episodes. So you could either use coins to unlock the episodes, or you can pretty much get a subscription which unlock all episodes for 7 days, or you can get a month subscription, or you can get a 1 year subscription. It's all up to you. And as well, you do get the points here as well. You can purchase using points. If you do want to get the subscription, you can purchase a few points to unlock a few episodes. So it's all up to you guys. So that's really pretty much it. And in the reward section, you can go in the reward section here to pretty much get free points as well. So as you can see here, by just using the application, you'll be granted with free coins or bonus coins, which can be used to pretty much unlock a few episodes as well. So you can either watch ads, do get the option to watch ads and do other few tasks as it relates to you getting this subscription. You get in this episode, I should say. So in the me section here, pretty much you can go here to check out their subscription page as well. As you can see here, you have the subscription here, just tap on the more option, and then be able to see their subscription prices and pretty much everything that they offer. And if you do want to see the coin section, just tap on the top up option here, be able to see their coins and their subscription as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application.
I'm a mentor.
So once you have pretty much done that, you're pretty much good to go. So that's really pretty much it. So if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.